Welcome to our comparison of two top contenders in the world of countertop dishwashers, the Hermitlux and the EUHOMY. Both designed with apartment living in mind, these compact dishwashers promise efficiency and convenience. Let's dive into their features and see which one stands out. When it comes to pricing, the Hermitlux countertop dishwasher is priced at $350 United States dollars, while the EUHOMY model is more budget-friendly at $289 United States dollars. This significant price difference could influence your decision, especially if you're looking for value for money in a compact dishwasher. The Hermitlux offers 5 washing programs, which are suitable for various cleaning needs. In contrast, the EUHOMY boasts 8 programs, including specialized settings like self-clean and baby care, making it a versatile choice for different households. This additional functionality could be a deciding factor for users with specific dishwashing requirements. Both dishwashers are designed for compact living spaces, but the EUHOMY stands out with its additional features like an inlet hose for easy setup and a self-cleaning option. The Hermitlux, while functional, may require more manual effort in comparison. This could affect the overall user experience, especially for those who prioritize convenience. In conclusion, both the Hermitlux and EUHOMY countertop dishwashers offer unique advantages for apartment dwellers. The Hermitlux is a solid choice for those who need a reliable dishwasher, while the EUHOMY provides more features at a lower price point. Be sure to consider your specific needs before making a decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.